Hey, it's Sam with Just Grillin' Outdoor Living. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean your Yoder pellet grill. Doesn't take very long for these grills to get dirty at all. This is only a couple months worth of cooking, but we're going to show you how easy it is to get it back to like new. Before we start, let's take a look at just how dirty this grill is. The outside isn't in too bad of shape, it's very dusty, and there's also some grease drippings on the front and side shelves. This will obviously clean up pretty easy. The inside is a bit more seasoned, we'll call it. The grates have a good char and crust built up on them. They're definitely in need of a cleaning and re-seasoning. The diffuser plate is gunked up with grease that has charred on pretty well. It's very dusty underneath the diffuser plate. The cook chamber is starting to show some wear too. Obviously when cleaning you're not going to be wearing your Sunday best, so just make sure you're either wearing throwaway clothes or you get a cheap apron. Help keep you a little bit cleaner. You won't need many tools. We're using a shop vac, putty knife, brass wire brush, Pure Clean grill cleaner spray, and some rags to wipe up. We're going to start from the inside. It's always best to work from the inside out. Start by brushing off loose food and deposit buildups from the grates. Remember to flip the grates upside down to get the bottoms too. We want to loosen up the easy to vacuum stuff first. Don't worry if the grates aren't spotless. The grill cleaner will do a really good job of finishing this up. The putty knife is really for the diffuser plate. If you use it on the cook body, press lightly, or be warned you might scrape some of the paint off like I just did. Next, we're going to use the Pure Clean grill spray on the grates. We want to hit the tops and bottoms with the spray and let it soak in for a few minutes. Rather than using the grill brush, we'll use one of our towels to wipe them off. If they're still not as clean as you would like after doing this once, just repeat with the spray and wiping until you're happy. Once done with the grates, remove them, and now you can start on the diffuser plate. This will most likely take a couple rounds of spraying and wiping. You might even need to use the putty knife to loosen up some of the charred on leftovers. This took me 3 rounds before I was happy enough with the result. For cleaning the grates and diffuser plate, you don't have to leave them in the grill. I just choose to because it helps keep the mess contained. Once done with the diffuser plate, we'll take this out and now we can work on the cook chamber. We'll start by vacuuming the fire pot and work our way across the chamber. Now we'll make sure there is no grease in this area. We'll wipe up any of the drippings and we'll use our spray if we need to. It may not be needed, but I like to use it. I like to make sure I use the spray in the grease funnel to break up the buildups there, and it makes it easy to wipe that area out so the drippings flow easily when I'm cooking next. The last thing we have to clean on the inside is the smokestack. We'll remove the stack so we can wipe the inside hole clean and the covered part of the stack too. Before moving to the outside, let's put the guts of the grill back. Grab a bottle of water and take another towel and wipe down any areas where you use the spray. There will be a white residue if you don't wipe it off. On the outside, I like to start with the shelves. I hit them with a couple sprays of the cleaner. I'll wipe them down and then remove them. Doing the shelves first and removing them makes it easier to clean up the rest of the outside faster. If you have the full stainless shelves, make sure to wipe with the grain of the stainless. We'll hit the rest of the body with the cleaner spray. Generally, the only area that might not clean up as well is the front area below the door of the grill. This area on our grill is still in good shape. The grease shield is a good accessory that would help keep this area looking great for a long time. The cleaner might leave a white residue, so just wipe with soap and water if so. An area that can be forgotten about is the heat baffle. Grease can drip and build up on this. Simply pull it out, hit it with a quick spray, and wipe clean. If you have a competition cart, just use soap and water or Windex to clean it up. I saved the grease bucket for last. Just put a couple sprays of the cleaner inside, swirl around a rag a little bit, and it should be all good. And that's it for cleaning. We put the shelves back on and we're pretty much wrapped up. Depending on the condition of your grill, you might need the paint can that comes with the grill to touch up some spots. We're not going to go into that in this video. Once we're done cleaning, there's only one more thing to do. We need to just remember to re-season our grates so that way we can keep them in great shape. If you got any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. We hope you liked this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you at the store soon.